Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to have a discussion on voice change of different sentence. So let's start the discussion. First of all, we need to know the voice change of assertive sentence, which is the most simplest and the most primary thing of voice changing. If we want to change any assertive sentence from active to passive, so we have to be more cautious regarding the use of be verb. In passive form, basically the V verbs like is, are, was, were, have, has, had, this will be changed and we have to add being when it is supposed to be present continuous or past continuous, and been when it is a participle form. For example, Mihal rides a bicycle. It's an indefinite sentence. So the passive form is a bicycle is ridden by Mihal. Then Mukta helped her. It's a past sentence. So the passive form is the she was helped by Mukta. Then Mumu is eating burger. It is a present continuous sentence. So the passive form is like burger is being eaten by Mumu. So here we can see we have to add the term or the phrase being when the sentence is in continuous tense. Then Dahi will lose weight. So it's a future tense. So the passive form will be like weight will be lost by Dahik. Then Jarib has created a YouTube channel. So here the sentence is in present participle form. The passive form is a YouTube channel has been created by Dahik. So here we have to add been. Hamdan would have started walking. So here the passive form will be walking would have started by Hamdan. Then the second concern is on voice change of imperative sentence. Basically, imperative sentence expresses orders, request, advice, etc. Then in passive form, let will be placed at the beginning. For example, shut the door. It basically addresses an order. So the passive form is let the door be shut. Please do the work. So it basically expresses a request. So the passive form is you are requested to do the work, and you can also write that let the work be done. Then voice change of interrogative sentence. In active form, if the interrogative sentence starts with do, then the passive will be like, do you see the bird? The sentence starts with do. So the passive form will be like, is the bird seen by you? Then if it starts with have or has, I mean participle form, have you taken preparation for the function? So the passive form is has the preparation for the function taken by you. Then, if the sentence starts with WH word, I mean WH questions, then the passive will be like, who taught you English? The by whom English was taught you? Whom did you call? Who was called by you? Which book do you want? Which book is wanted by you? That's how we can change active voice to passive voice in interrogative sentences. Then passive form of intransitive verb. An intransitive verb can be changed into passive form if there is a cognate object. Basically, cognate object means a direct object. For example, he ran a race. So the passive form is a race was run by him. Then Ghalib dreamed a dream. A dream was dreamed by Ghalib. Then let's move to the voice change of transitive verbs. In such cases, basically, the personal object of the sentence becomes the main subject, and another object that becomes the written object. I mean, written object means unchanged. For example, Munia gave me a book. In this sentence, me, it's a personal object, so it will become subject when it is being transformed into passive form. For example, Munia gave me a book. I was given a book by Munia. So here, me has been changed into I was given a book. A book is here the indirect object basically, which is remained unchanged. And by Munia, Munia was the subject in the previous sentence, that now it becomes object. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.